My name is Jess, and I am on the sales team at Lucid. I've been in sales for about 7.5 years, crazy, and I'm on the corporate new logo team at Lucid. First thing I do, I'll go to my desk and I will look at my calendar and just make sure I'm fully prepared for all of my customer calls for the day. In my role, it's all about trying to build pipeline and close deals. I'm trying to talk to as many people as I can, get as many conversations going, and see who wants to buy Lucid. I really enjoy demoing and selling for Lucid, specifically because people who I show Lucid to, you can just tell that they're so not used to working in the way that Lucid allows people to work in, to collaborate in real time, working together as a team in a visual way. When people see what we have to offer, you can just see this aha moment of like, oh my gosh, what have we been doing before this? So they get really excited. So it's really fun for me to get to be able to share that with them and tell that story of, hey, here's what the future could look like for you as a team, and see how this could actually improve what they're doing. I really enjoy it. Right now, it's actually our end of quarter, which, yes, it can be a stressful time, but it's also really fun. We actually just had a golf little tournament thing. I don't golf. Winner gets $100, whoever can get a hole in one. So we just do fun little games like that just to kind of keep the energy high and make sure it's not a stressful time, but it's also come together and rally as a team as we're trying to hit our big goals. So that's really fun. So I feel like we've got a really special culture at Lucid, and you see that not only within my own sales team, but all the way up to our executive team. So there's a lot of great tech companies out there, but I would say if you want to be at a place where you really feel at home and you feel appreciated and there's so much career opportunity, Lucid is definitely the place to go, because at Lucid there is no place to go but up.